Good morning, children. Welcome to your Commerce class business study, and I welcome all of you to the Commerce sections. Now, I will be taking your business study subject, and we will be starting our chapter number 1 from the next video. In today's video, before starting with commerce and business, let's start a concept which you must have done in your class 10th economics also, which is basically going to be called as base for your class 12 business study. So today we will be not starting class 11 business study any concept. Today we will be just revising class 10th, a very important concept by which the business study has been broadened in your class 11th. Now let's start with activities, human activities. Simply you can understand that what are the different work which a human did, that can be categorized into human activities. ह्यूमन जो भी बहुत सारे काम करते हैं, अलग अलग काम वर्क होते हैं, उसके जो फंक्शंस होते हैं, उन सब को हम क्या करेंगे, ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ बोलेंगे. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस टुडे, दैट व्हाट बेसिकली मीन्स ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़, व्हाट आर द क्लासिफिकेशंस ऑफ ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़, and how economic activities and non-economic activities are categorized. Right, so let's start with your first video of class 11th commerce business study related with meaning of human activities. Now when we say about human activities, you can see here the slide. Human life is built around work. Every human being is busy in some or other work throughout the day. Right, it means if we say about human activity, all the work in which the human is busy, the person or individual is busy throughout the day, these all will be called as human activities. Right, now that can be any work, like when a person get up, he brushed or she brushed his teeth or her teeth, take bath, eat breakfast, go for school, college. Adults are there, they go for work, office. The housewife is there, either she work at home, she watch the television, eating dinner, game, sleeping. These all are the different activities, function in which we are engaged, the human being is engaged, and that is going to be called as the human life activities or human activities. Right, now let's see why we have talked about human activities. Now, human activities meaning, human activities are all those activities which human being undertake. Right, it means human जितनी भी activities करेगा उन्हें हम क्या बोलेंगे, human activities बोलेंगे, no matter what kind of activity it is. Right now we are not categorizing the activity. अभी हम सिर्फ बात कर रहे हैं एक इंडिविजुअल जितने भी काम करता है, that all is going to be called as human activities. Right, now let's start with the other thing or other meaning of human activities. Now the first we have already discussed, that all the activities which are going to be conducted by a human being is called as human activities. Now this can be brushing the teeth, this can be taking dinner, lunch, breakfast, taking bath, going for a walk, going office, doing any kind of work, engaging in studies. Right, the next say these activities are done to satisfy human want. And why human do all these activities? They did this activity for the purpose of satisfaction of its own want. Right, यानी वो अपने wants को, अपनी need को satisfied करने के लिए activities करता है. Right, so two things are here. First, the activity which is conducted by humans are going to be called as human activity, no matter what kind it is. The second is the reason behind conducting these activities are satisfaction of their wants. The third is the human activity continue throughout the life because wants are unending, unlimited and recurring. It means why a human has to do again and again the same work. We know every day in the morning we wake up, we used to brush out our teeth, we take a bath, we used to take breakfast. This we did every time, every day. Right, and the reason behind this is that because these are our wants. ये हमारे क्या हैं, wants हैं, जो कि क्या होती हैं, unending होती हैं. These are unlimited. Right, we can't stop it, it used to reoccur. So that is the reason the activity of human being are called as continue activity. Till they are alive, they will be doing the same activity again and again, right? Now the next say about human activity can produce direct economic benefit, working in an office or shop, or produce no direct economic benefit, praying, playing, etc. Now here the topic has come, economic or non-economic benefit. Now whenever a human is engaged into any kind of activity, it can produce two things. It can give you output. Produce से भी आप समझे output से. Two thing, एक होता है economic benefit. Economic benefit means money related benefit, right? और एक होता है नॉन इकोनॉमिक बेनिफिट विच इज़ नो डायरेक्ट इकोनॉमिक बेनिफिट. नाउ अगर ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ करता है जहाँ पे उसको डायरेक्ट इकोनॉमिक बेनिफिट मिल रहा है यानी मनी मिल रही है, तो इट विल बी ऑफिस वर्क जहाँ से वो मनी इनकम अर्न कर रहा है. और इफ़ अ पर्सन इज डूइंग नॉन इकोनॉमिक वर्क मीन्स प्रेइंग इन द टेम्पल, अ हाउस वाइफ कुकिंग फूड फॉर देयर चिल्ड्रन और देयर फैमिली, ये सब क्या हो गए आपके नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी हैं विच आर लिंक विथ no direct economic benefit. Now you can see the pictures also here which is going to be called as no direct economic effect here. Like these three pictures are there. ये सब क्या हैं आपकी activities हैं which every person used to do. They are some of the activities which are going to be called as economic activity, जिसका main objective क्या होगा, money को earn करना. और उसको करने के पीछे का मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव गोल क्या होता है, मॉनेटरी अर्न करना, अपनी इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन को इम्प्रूव करना. सो दैट इज गोइंग टू बी कॉल्ड एज इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी. अदर एक्टिविटी विच आर नॉट हैविंग द गोल ऑफ अर्निंग मॉनेटरी सिस्टम और अर्निंग मनी इज गोइंग टू बी कॉल्ड एज नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज. लाइक यू कैन सी द पिक्चर से somebody sleeping, ये भी एक एक्टिविटी है बट कैसी होगी, नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी. somebody sitting and doing job in the office, that is also activity, but what kind of activity, इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी, क्योंकि क्यों कर रहे हैं जॉब ऑफिस में, अर्निंग मनी के लिए, राइट. नाउ लेट्स सी द फीचर्स ऑफ इकोनॉमिक ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़. ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ के फीचर्स क्या होते हैं. तो फर्स्ट से ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ आर अंडरटेकन ओनली बाय ह्यूमन बीइंग, इट इन्वॉल्व ह्यूमन एफर्ट्स. इट मीन्स ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ का पहला फीचर क्या हो गया, दैट इट इज़ ओनली द ह्यूमन बीइंग हु विल बी इंडल्ज, हु विल बी इन्वॉल्व इन डूइंग दीज एक्टिविटीज़. दैट एक्टिविटी विल बी कॉल्ड एज ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़. अगर कोई मशीन कोई काम कर रही है, यू विल नॉट इंक्लूड दैट एट अ ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़, राइट. सो वो सारी एक्टिविटीज़ जहाँ पे एक ह्यूमन का एफर्ट्स लगता है, that is going to be called as human activities. Next, human activities are undertaken to satisfy human want which are unlimited. Now why a human being do the activities, they did the activities for satisfying their own wants, and these wants are unlimited. If we are sleeping at night, why we are sleeping in the night, because that is our desire for getting rest, right. So क्या होगी हमारी human की हमारी want है जिसको हम satisfied करने के लिए कर रहे हैं, right. Now the next say human activity continue throughout the life. It means third feature of human activities are what, it will continue till a person is alive. Next is human activity have a very wide range. It means you cannot give a criteria that this is only human activities. Like watching TV is only human activities. Even the purchasing TV will be also called as a human activities. You know, repairing the TV will be also called as a human activities. So everything where a human being is indulged, it is going to be called as human activity. That is the reason we say that it has a wider range, wider area, right. Next say human activities are performed both for earning money as well as for obtaining personal satisfaction. This is very important here that why a human being indulge into any kind of work. एक ह्यूमन बीइंग किसी भी तरह के काम में क्यों इंडल्ज होता है, इट कैन बी मनी अर्न करना एक ऑब्जेक्टिव हो सकता है उसका, और द सेकेंड ऑब्जेक्टिव हो सकता है कि अपना पर्सनल सेटिस्फेक्शन के लिए इंडल्ज हो, राइट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देर आर मेनी पीपल हु कुक इन द रेस्टोरेंट. वाई दे कुक बिकॉज दे आर मनी अर्निंग मनी, राइट. So it is said as earning money can be objective of cooking. Now same time there are lots of NGOs who cooked and give foods to other, but their work is not to earn money. Their work is their personal satisfactions. Now next say about the economic activities. So here what we have done, we have classified now your activities. अब हमने क्या किया, आपकी human activities को classified कर लिया. Right, now when we classified the human activities, we divide them into two part. हम क्या करेंगे, उन्हें दो part में divide कर देंगे. एक होता है आपका economic activities and the second is your non-economic activities. Right, so human activities are classified into two part. The first is your economic activities and second is your non-economic activities. Now simply you have to understand, because this economic and non-economic activities will be coming to your chapter number 1 or linking with your chapter number 1 topic or concept. Now what is economic activities? Simply you have to understand economic, money, monetary. इट मीन्स वो सारी एक्टिविटीज़ जो एक ह्यूमन बीइंग करता है मनी को अर्न करने के लिए, दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी कॉल्ड एज इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़. नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी जस्ट अपोजिट ऑफ दैट. वट एवर अ ह्यूमन बीइंग विल डू for the purpose of not earning money, whose objective is not to earn money, that is going to be called as non-economic activities. Right, now if a person is cooking food at restaurant, which I have already explained you, that is economic, because to do that work is to earn money. If your mother is cooking food for you at home, that is non-economic activities. Why? Because her objective is not to earn money by cooking food for you. It is for your satisfaction, for her satisfaction. Right, so this is what is going to be linked with your chapter number 1. Now let's start in economic activities. So here you can say economic activities are undertaken with the object of earning money and acquiring wealth. यानी वो सारी activities under whose we have an objective of earning money and acquiring wealth will be called as economic activities. Now the result of economic activity is what? It result in the production of economic goods and services. इस इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी का रिजल्ट क्या होता है? इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी के थ्रू प्रोडक्शंस होता है आपका गुड्स और सर्विसेज का. बिजनेस इज एन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी बट इट डिफर फ्रॉम अदर इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज सच एज एम्प्लॉय एंड सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट. नाउ हियर द टर्म हैज कम बिजनेस. राइट, बिजनेस आपका कैसा एक्टिविटी है? एक इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी है. वाई? द मेन पर्पज फॉर स्टार्टिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ बिजनेस इज टू अर्न प्रॉफिट. प्रॉफिट अर्न करना मीन्स टू अर्न मनी. राइट, so it is also called as an economic activity, but it differ from other economic activities such as employee and self employment. but ये क्या हो सकता है? differ हो सकता है. economic activity है but ये अलग अलग तरह से हो सकती है. because if I have started my business, right, so I will say, I will define myself as a self employment. why I have started a business? because I have to earn money. तो ये क्या हो गया? business है, एक economic activity है जहाँ पे मैं self employ हूँ, मैं किसी दूसरे के अंदर काम नहीं कर रही हूँ. नाउ सेकेंड इज एम्प्लॉय. इट मीन्स इफ समबडी हैज स्टार्टेड अ बिजनेस एंड आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई फॉर अ जॉब ओवर दे, आई एम गोइंग टू कॉल एज अ एम्प्लॉय ऑफ दैट बिजनेस इंटरप्राइज. आई एम गोइंग टू वर्क एज अ इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी ओवर देर. वो मेरी कैसी एक्टिविटी है? इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी है जो मैं कर रही हूँ मनी को अर्न करने के लिए. बट आई एम वर्किंग देर एज अ एम्प्लॉय, नॉट एज अ सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट. राइट, नाउ next say about it concerned with production, distribution and exchange of goods and services. Now whenever there will be a concept of economic activity come, economic activities में यहाँ पे 3 important चीज़ें होंगी. वो concerned होगा production से related, distribution से related and exchange of goods and services से related. राइट, इट मीन जहाँ पे भी मॉनेटरी पर्पज़ के लिए आप कोई वर्क कर रहे हो, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी कॉल्ड एज इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी. एंड एवरी इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी हैव रिलेटेड विद प्रोडक्शन, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड एक्सचेंज ऑफ गुड्स. इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज ऑक्यूपेशन. राइट, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लाइक टीचिंग इज वॉट? टीचिंग इज ऑक्यूपेशन. ये कैसी है? एक इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी है. योर टीचर्स यूज टू गेट सैलरी फॉर दैट. सो वॉट इज देयर ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ दैट? इज टू अर्न money over there. Next is there, another is occupations. It is going to be called as occupation because occupation has a objective of earning money. Now let's start with the another one, characteristics of economic activity. So first characteristics or features of economic activity is इकोनॉमिक मोटिव, इसको करने के पीछे का मेन रीज़न क्या होता है, मनी अर्न करना या फिर अपनी वेल्थ को एक्वायर करना और इंक्रीज करना. सेकेंड इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी फीचर इज प्रोडक्टिव. इट इन्वॉल्व प्रोडक्शन, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड एक्सचेंज of goods and services, and for what purpose? For satisfying human want. Third is economic resources. In economic activity we are using the economic resources, whether it is land, labor, capital. We have to pay for all those things. Now next is rational use. Required proper allocation of scarce resources so as to obtain maximum output. Now when we talk about economic activity, we need to indulge into a work of production. और production के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए होगा, we will require resources, right? Resources can in the form of land, labor, capital also, or in another form also, right? And we need to, these resources are in a limited number present to us. We need to allocate these resources to the different business so that the maximum output can be achieved. Next is economic growth. It determines the economic development of a country and standard of living of its citizen. It means economic activities क्या करते, if a country have more and more economic activities, there will be more and more economic development of a country also. And in that case what will happen directly, जो standard of living होगा human being का वो क्या होगा, increase होएगा. Next is legally valid. When human activities are performed for economic gain which are lawful, unlawful activity like gambling, black marketing, smuggling, etc. It means legally valid means human activities में भी क्या होती हैं, economic, there are certain economic activity which have a legally valid. There are certain activity which are not legally valid, which are not coming as a lawful activities. वो क्या हो गए, if you are doing any kind of job for the purpose of achieving money, for the purpose of getting money, that is going to be called as legally valid, right? But if you are trying to earn money by the help of gambling, by the help of black marketing, by the help of smuggling, ये क्या है आपकी unlawful activities हैं, so they are not legally valid. Next is socially desirable. Now it should be desirable for the society. It means the economic activity also have a feature that these activities are desire of a society. These are the desire of a human being, right? So children, in today's video, the most important thing which are going to work as a base for your class 11 business study, that will be activities, human activities, which are divided into two parts, the economic activities and non-economic activities. Economic activities which are related and which have an objective of earning money, जिनको करने के पीछे के objective होता है money को earn करना. Non-economic activities जिनको करने के पीछे का objective होता है not earning the money, which are not related with the monetary earning, right? In the next video we will start with our chapter number 1, where we will discuss about business, and business is going to be called as economic activity because its main purpose is to earn money, right? The enterprise who start a business, enterprise का मतलब होता है owner, right? जो enterprise, जो business owner होता है, जो business को start करता है, the main purpose of him is to start a business is to earn money, right? So that we will discuss in our next video. Thank you.